Alright guys, this is how to create account. First, if you enter the necessary details, you create account and immediately you will receive an email with a link that you verify your email. After that, you sign in and complete your profile by entering the necessary details there. After you fill everything, now your account will be fully active and you can proceed with clicking submit. After you submit, you come here and click on icon, thereby seeing $1 as sign-up bonus. You will get $1 sign-up bonus. Your referee also get $1 as referral bonus. So here is how you can upgrade and purchase your plan. Let me go by depositing $100. First, you need to click on that address and copy it. Come to your exchanger. Let me use Binance and transfer 100 USDT there. You paste the address here, select network 𝗧𝗛𝗜𝗏 and input the verification code they will send you into your email. After being verified, you confirm the transaction and successfully you will receive your deposit on Massvoiz account, thereby upgrading you automatically. After that, guys, don't forget that you get $1 sign up bonus when you use a free link and sign up. So here I come back to Massvoiz after depositing $100 and refreshing homepage, thereby seeing successful deposit of $100. They upgrade me automatically. You come here and update your USDT wallet address, of which you are going to receive payments when you accumulate $5. So as you can see, I have 8 surveys to answer because I'm a pro user now. I am accessible to 8 surveys a day. Here is how you can answer the surveys. Make sure you are answering sincerely and based on your experiences. After this, what you get as reward will successfully get credited into your wallet, and immediately after you accumulate $5, you can place withdrawal. It takes less than 10 minutes for your withdrawal to arrive. I will show you how to withdraw in the next video. Thanks for watching.